Let's dive into the world of cloud computing and explore its benefits and challenges in a way that's easy to understand. Cloud computing has become a buzzword in the tech industry, and for good reason. It represents a fundamental shift in how we think about computing resources and data storage. At its core, cloud computing is about delivering computing services over the internet, allowing users to access and utilize resources on demand, without the need for expensive hardware or infrastructure. Imagine having access to a vast, virtual data center, where you can tap into computing power, storage, and applications as needed. This is essentially what cloud computing offers. Instead of having to manage and maintain complex IT infrastructure, you can simply access the resources you need, when you need them, and pay only for what you use. The benefits of cloud computing are numerous. One of the most significant advantages is scalability. With cloud computing, you can quickly scale up or down to meet changing demands, without having to worry about provisioning or managing infrastructure. This makes it particularly useful for businesses with fluctuating workloads or those experiencing rapid growth. Another key benefit is cost savings. Cloud computing eliminates the need for upfront capital expenditures on hardware and infrastructure, reducing costs and freeing up resources for more strategic investments. Additionally, cloud providers typically offer pay-as-you-go pricing models, so you only pay for the resources you actually use. Cloud computing also enables greater flexibility and mobility. With cloud-based services, you can access your applications and data from anywhere, on any device, at any time. This makes it easier for teams to collaborate and work remotely, and for businesses to respond quickly to changing market conditions. Furthermore, cloud computing provides enhanced reliability and disaster recovery capabilities. Cloud providers typically have built-in redundancy and failover capabilities, which ensure high uptime and minimize the risk of data loss. This means you can focus on running your business, rather than worrying about IT infrastructure. Security is another area where cloud computing excels. Cloud providers invest heavily in security measures, such as encryption, firewalls, and access controls, to protect your data and applications. This can be particularly beneficial for businesses that lack the resources or expertise to implement robust security measures in-house. However, cloud computing is not without its challenges. One of the biggest concerns is data security and privacy. While cloud providers have robust security measures in place, there's always a risk of data breaches or unauthorized access. This is particularly concerning for businesses handling sensitive data, such as financial information or personal identifiable information. Another challenge is vendor lock-in. When you move your applications and data to the cloud, it can be difficult to switch providers if you're not satisfied with their services. This can limit your flexibility and make it harder to negotiate favorable terms. Cloud computing also raises concerns about control and customization. When you move to the cloud, you may have less control over the underlying infrastructure and applications. This can make it harder to customize your environment to meet specific business needs. Interoperability is another challenge. Cloud providers often have different platforms and architectures, which can make it difficult to integrate applications and data across different cloud environments. This can limit your ability to take full advantage of cloud computing's benefits. Despite these challenges, cloud computing continues to grow in popularity. As technology advances, we can expect to see even more innovative cloud-based services and solutions emerge. To get the most out of cloud computing, it's essential to carefully evaluate your business needs and choose a cloud provider that meets your specific requirements. When selecting a cloud provider, consider factors such as security, scalability, reliability, and cost. You should also think about the level of control and customization you need, as well as the potential for vendor lock-in. By doing your research and choosing the right provider, you can unlock the full potential of cloud computing and drive business success. In addition to these considerations, it's also important to develop a comprehensive cloud strategy that aligns with your business goals. This should include plans for migration, deployment, and ongoing management of cloud-based services. By taking a strategic approach to cloud computing, you can maximize its benefits and minimize its risks. As we look to the future, it's clear that cloud computing will continue to play a major role in shaping the tech industry. With its scalability, cost savings, and flexibility, cloud computing is an attractive option for businesses of all sizes. By understanding its benefits and challenges, you can make informed decisions about how to leverage cloud computing to drive business success. One area where cloud computing is having a significant impact is in the field of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. Cloud-based services provide the scalable computing power and storage needed to train and deploy AI and ML models. This enables businesses to harness the power of AI and ML to drive innovation and improve decision-making. Cloud computing is also transforming the way we think about data analytics. With cloud-based services, you can easily collect, process, and analyze vast amounts of data. This enables businesses to gain valuable insights and make data-driven decisions. By leveraging cloud-based analytics, you can unlock new opportunities for growth and innovation. In conclusion, cloud computing represents a significant shift in how we think about computing resources and data storage. With its scalability, cost savings, and flexibility, cloud computing is an attractive option for businesses of all sizes. While there are challenges to consider, the benefits of cloud computing make it an essential technology for driving business success. By understanding its benefits and challenges, you can make informed decisions about how to leverage cloud computing to drive innovation and growth. The future of cloud computing looks bright, with emerging technologies like edge computing, serverless computing, and quantum computing set to further transform the industry. As cloud computing continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative services and solutions emerge. By staying informed and adapting to these changes, you can stay ahead of the curve and drive business success in a rapidly changing world. Ultimately, cloud computing is about more than just technology. It's about enabling businesses to innovate, grow, and thrive. By harnessing the power of cloud computing, you can unlock new opportunities, drive business success, and stay ahead of the competition. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, cloud computing has the potential to transform your business and drive innovation.